Hello, friends! Welcome to TinyTonks TV! Today, we will learn 10 animals. Are you ready? Let's begin! Dog. This is a dog. A dog says, woof woof. A dog is friendly. Say it with me. Dog. Cat. This is a cat. A cat says meow, meow. A cat likes to sleep. Say it with me. Cat. Cow. This is a cow. A cow says moo, moo. A cow gives us milk. Say it with me. Cow. Elephant. This is an elephant. An elephant is big. It has a long trunk. Say it with me. Elephant. Panda. This is a panda. A panda eats bamboo. A panda is black and white. Say it with me. Panda. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit hops. A rabbit likes carrots. Say it with me. Rabbit. Lion. This is a lion. A lion says roar. The lion is strong. Say it with me. Lion. Horse. This is a horse. A horse runs fast. A horse says neigh. Say it with me. Horse. Frog. This is a frog. A frog jumps. A frog says ribbit. Say it with me. Frog. Bird. This is a bird. A bird can fly. A bird says tweet, tweet. Say it with me. Bird. Let's say the animals again. Dog, cat, cow, elephant, lion, rabbit, panda, bird, horse, frog. Great job! You did amazing today! You learned 10 animals today! Subscribe to TinyTonks TV for more calm, fun, and easy learning. Bye-bye!